Hi everybody, Mike and Jennifer here, and one of the benefits of us buying property in southwest Michigan is we're less than an hour away from Elkhart, Indiana, the RV capital of the world.
So we can go check things out, and that's what we're going to do today. There's something that we've heard about that we don't know a lot about, so we decided we want to find out more about it, and we want to tell you about it too.
It's actually a growing trend and probably the least known type of RV out there. Before we get out of the car and hit our destination and show you our destination, remember that word, we want to remind you that if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, would you do so? Just click the little subscribe button on the bottom of your screen there, and you'll get notified when we have new videos online. All right, heading to our destination.
Let's go.
Elkhart, Indiana. Here we are, the open house 2023 edition, pulling into well, hey, look, there's our friend's road track.
Oh yeah, everybody's here. I can't believe how excited I am to be here. This is really fun. And it's a beautiful day, no rain or anything. Everybody has their models out. I'm going to make everybody dizzy. I'm going left and right, and there's just so much to look at. There's a feeling of excitement in the air.
You're like a little kid. Look over here, look over here.
I am.
I'm great. Thanks for being here.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Just thanks for what you do, man.
Oh, it's
toughest job in the country right now.
It's fun, though.
Sorry. Yeah?
Just here for the regular parking?
Yeah.
Awesome. If you can just take a right of that first cone, and then golf carts take you where you need to be.
Gotcha. Thanks, man. Thank you all.
Oh my goodness, it is a good thing that we got the little car. Well, this is a true adventure. You were absolutely right for being disappointed that we left 5 minutes late. So this is our destination. It's called The Retreat, and it's a destination RV.
So what is the destination RV? Well, think of this as the original tiny home. Big tiny home movement out here. Well, this really is what kicked that off. This was even before we had the tiny homes. But this is an RV. It's not a park model. Park models are kind of similar, but park models are permanent. You know, they have to be hooked up to like a sewer system. They don't have tanks. This is like an RV. You can actually drive it someplace, but it is not meant to be used every weekend someplace hauling around. I suppose you could, but it's really meant for seasonal use, for long-term use in one location. It's probably the least known type of RV, and it's part of a huge trend in popularity right now.
The first thing that you notice is this sliding door. This feels like home. It's not a flimsy little door. It's pretty substantial. I feel like I'm at my home, at my cottage. Perfect. Shut the door, and what do I see? I see massive windows. This is awesome. All the vantage, all the bay windows, the view that you have as you look around here. And I can't help but notice how the screens are set up. Automated, so you can pull your shades. You want to make it dark. You want that privacy. But lots of windows, lots of bringing the outdoors in. And I walk in, got to go around the island, have this kitchen space. I like the sink in the middle. A residential refrigerator part, freezer, and this lock on it to keep it from opening when you do travel. I have a lot of workspace here, cabinets, cupboards, places to put things, 4 burners, a real big oven. The thing about a destination RV is these kitchens are meant to be used. You are supposed to cook in here. It's just like a home. You settle, cook, make a huge meal. We continue on, a big pantry area. Got it hooked right now, but You have that area. Like this.
Come on down the hallway and I'll show you the bedroom. It is a king-size bed, 2 steps down, not a problem coming down. Big dresser, permanent dresser, lots of storage in the drawers for all your clothes. What I like about this, of course, is you can walk around, you can easily get out of the bed. It is really nice. You've got storage up here if you have like a CPAP you want to keep on the unit. Windows here for cross ventilation. It's like a real bedroom. And, oh yeah, full-length mirrors on the wardrobe closet. This is awesome. Look at how much room you have in here.
I think they got them hooked.
They do have
I
them
tried
hooked.
to get them open and they were fighting me.
Come on, open
Every
these babies
inch of the
up.
way.
Why do they have them locked?
I don't know.
Because people like us would break them?
Probably.
Yeah.
Probably. But
Oh,
you know.
no. Look at this.
Ah, you found the secret?
I found the secret. Yep.
Oh, got the vacuum in there.
Yeah.
That
Vacuum is extra. And there's room here for a combo washer and dryer if you'd like to put one in, which I think you would, because that's the whole purpose of a destination RV, is that it's going to be a real home that you can keep, in a RV resort on your own property. It is meant for snowbirds, people who really want to stay someplace a long time. Now, you can put this on the road. You need probably a 1-ton truck to pull it. So you could use it a couple, 3 times a year, but it's meant for those who want to just leave it someplace and stay there and enjoy it.
I can't help but notice those windows. I love the windows, the openness, and you've got the shades, the blackout shades. You can keep the outdoors out if that's what you want, but if you want to let it in, perfect.
But wait, there's more. The secret staircase. Follow this. And what you have up here is like, you can hear the air conditioner running. This is a loft, a big loft for short people, but it's perfect for kids. There's little cubby holes up there for them, 2 little mattresses. This is a great place for kids.
Or adults that are young at heart. But there's one other important room that we need to show you, and that is the bathroom. Nice shower head, toilet, bowl sink, medicine cabinet, storage areas, everything you need.
So how long is this unit? It's about 39 feet. But there is another destination RV model that we just have to show you. That's longer and way more luxurious. So come on along.
This one is called the Residence, and just like the Retreat, it has 2 slides on it. This one is just a little bit under 43 feet. So look at all the windows in the bedroom. Lots of windows to look out and enjoy where you are. Very open, very spacious, but yet you can block it all out when it's time. Again, you have the king-size bed. You have a big closet area. This one, you could have it prepped for a washer and dryer, but right now, it's a huge closet.
Okay, so center kitchen, massive island. Look at this. Sink right here. Same thing, residential, big refrigerator, lots of cabinet space, a full oven, all that stuff. But what sets this thing apart is this. It has a double loft. One here, spiral staircase, and one here. So you got a whole bunch of kiddos or a lot of guests. You've got plenty of room in that loft. Double sinks in the bathroom. Lots more storage there. Plenty of mirrors. And a big storage closet for your towels. Just a well set up bathroom.
The island is very practical. It's large, and something that's helpful are the motorcycle seats. Some people call them motorcycle seats, but what I like about these, you can pull it out a little bit or farther. You've got some leg room here to sit, and another person can sit there as well as there's 2 other on the other side. So if you wanted to play a board game or cards, 4 people could sit here, 2 people could sit here across from each other and enjoy the space and feel right at home. We have an L-shaped sofa. Sit down, you can look at the fireplace, the TV comes up, watch television, or the TV can go down and you have extra cabinet space when you come in the door. And again, look at all these windows, so many windows to enjoy nature and the beauty that's out there.
Well, Jeff, thanks so much for making time for us today at this busy show. First of all, what happens at RV Dealer Open House? Why is this such a big deal to so many manufacturers?
Well, this is our Super Bowl. So this is where all the dealers from around the country, get to come in, Canada, United States. And not only do we get their opinion on all of the new stuff we've come out with, but we get to hear what's going on with their business and what they think is going to happen the next several months, which, of course, in this environment is really important. And so it just kind of helps give us an idea of whether what we've been doing is right or wrong or what they think, and kind of gives us an idea of what to prepare for.
One thing that we saw here at Open House that we have not done many stories on before, that we were really quite blown away with, was these destination RVs. Jen spotted one of them right away, and she was really impressed.
Yeah, I said we have to go in that one. I got to see what it's like inside.
So you have the residence and the retreat.
Mm-hmm.
And I guess you've been building these for a while.
And we've had them for years.
I don't know why.
It's the first time that we've seen them.
Yeah, we never, but we were really blown away. Is that a trend that you see coming?
I think so. Destinations trailers have been around for forever.
And a destination is
there's big more seasonal buyers that will buy a larger coach. Anywhere from 38 to 45 feet in some cases. They'll have lofts. They'll have just in some cases spiral staircases, 2 staircases. But they buy it to set it out on a site, a permanent site, and they'll use it as a seasonal house. And so it comes and goes. During COVID, when you can't build enough, you can't get enough parts, sometimes it's units like that tend to take a back seat. Manufacturers are a little more difficult and a little more involved to build. So, but now that we've gotten manufacturing back to where we're in a really good cycle, we have more time to dedicate to those types of trailers. And of course, there are more of those buyers who just got involved in the RV lifestyle, and they say, you know what? I love that, and I have one place I like to go, and I have a site that I like. I could get something like that and get square footage that is similar to, in some cases, a home. So we do see that as a trend that is going to continue to grow here.
How are all you guys doing?
Good. Doing great. Doing great.
Yeah.
Almost all of the big RV manufacturers make a destination RV. This is the Crossroad, Hampton.
Crossroads makes 7 different models of the destination RV. The one we're going to look at here is the 39 PVL, and it's their loft model.
The Hampton also has 2 lofts, and actually the layout seems pretty much the same as what we just looked at. All the big windows, the L sofa, the fireplace, the TV that sinks down or comes up when you want to watch it. This has a couple of bar stools. Now we're in the bedroom. First thing I see is a dresser. I like the hardware, lots of storage up above, attractive, and you could mount a TV if you wanted one. As you follow this around, you see this gorgeous window. This window is huge. I can't believe how big it is. And oh, wait, what is this? There's a vanity. I like the mirror. I like the light above the vanity, and I think all of us would appreciate having a place to sit down, fix ourselves up before we go out that door. Lots of storage, very attractive.
You don't need to fix yourself up, my beauty.
Oh, I'm great just the way I come, right? Just the way what you see is what you get.
Let's check out the bathroom.
Watch your step.
Oh, one thing different. Look, there's one sink in this, but nice sink, nice big counter space. I really like that. Storage underneath, big mirror, storage over here, lots. And over here is where your washer and dryer would go. Lots of space here, and it's basically all plumbed for a washer and dryer. And here's another destination style RV. This is from Dutchman. It's called the Aspen Trail, and this model is 42 feet long. Again, this thing looks just like the other ones we've seen. Double lofts, a nice island in the middle with some seats around it. Nice kitchen, refrigerator, L-shaped sofa, TV right across from it. Pretty much the same layout. And in the bedroom, my dear, what's that like?
We got the same thing going on here. A king-size bed, lots of storage, cabinets, big windows. They all kind of seem the same, but it's your choice.
In the bathroom, 2 sinks, nice big countertop, shower, nice shower, no shower door, just a plastic shower curtain, and then cabinets on this side, and I bet over here is room for a washer and dryer. I'm betting that because of the vents. Yep, and yep, set for a washer dryer, which would really be, I think, pretty essential to any trip. So these destination RVs, I like them.
I do.
I like them.
This is a nice bathroom.
I think I like the first 2 we saw best. So these things are pretty cool. I can see the appeal. And they've been making them for years.
Well, you got to remember that we started out in B's. We were in B's a long time.
And then we
weren't looking at the big guys because there's just so many RVs out
We
there.
did Class B's, Class C's, fifth wheels, and then towables, and so we kind of let these things slip by. But I'm impressed this new emphasis that we heard that the industry is placing on these units, and they make a lot of sense as people are looking for, maybe they've done all their traveling, maybe they've checked off all those states, the 48 continental states anyway, and they're ready now to maybe stay a little longer in places. This makes so much sense.
Yeah, they want the windows, they picked out their lot, and they know where they want to go, and they're going to stay there and rest a little bit.
Destination RVs. You're going to hear more about it in the future. Hey, we're Mike and Jen, coming to you from the Elkhart Dealer Open House. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you down the road.
Happy trails.